Steel general arrangement drawings are only partially automated in most softwares. In COMOSYS, the drawing viewports can be imported directly from already existing model views, without the hassle of setting up cameras. But you can also create sections and detail views from existing ones. It's extremely simple. These viewports can then be annotated beautifully and without clashes with a few clicks. And the annotations will maneuver around other obstacles fluidly. Isn't that cool? Dimensioning the steel is perhaps the biggest hurdle for most softwares. Typically you will spend around 30 minutes to an hour dimensioning a large general arrangement drawing. Why does it take that long? Well, it's because you have to zoom in, and zoom out, and pan left, and pan right, to reach the points you need to dimension. Even then you have to be extra careful not to snap to the wrong points. But don't most softwares have automatic dimensioning commands for general arrangement drawings? Well, not really. While basic grid dimensioning is usually available, proper dimensioning of the steelwork mostly requires manual work. With COMOSYS, things are different. Just click this tool and watch the magic happen. Instead of just dimensioning everything in sight, you can choose to ignore certain beam groups like horizontal bracings. Or those elements which are not fully in the plane of the view can be ignored. Furthermore, inner dimensions are separated from outer ones as shown, once the distance between them starts exceeding reasonable values. To make it even cleaner, repeating points are ignored if they are closely spaced and clearly aligned, and what you get is an aesthetically pleasing result. Another 30 minutes saved. And every minute adds up. Until finally you realize you can double your work easily with COMOSYS. Or maybe I should say double your profits.